Wow, you just heard it straight from the experts. Bitcoin is heading to $200,000. And if you like the idea of earning some free Bitcoin and free crypto using just a computer, tablet or smartphone, then stick with me because I'm about to detail a secret online hack that has allowed me to generate at least $127 every single day in free crypto and free Bitcoin. Hey, my name is Glyn Koski. I'm a tech entrepreneur from London in the United Kingdom. I've tried many things in the past to earn a full-time living online, but nothing has been as easy and as fast as generating free crypto and free Bitcoin with this brand new 3-step system. So if you're sick of struggling trying to make money online, not having enough today, not having enough for the future, then I've got the perfect solution for you because I'm about to reveal to you a real world first to market application that has allowed us to siphon free crypto and free Bitcoin from this billion-dollar niche that keeps growing in value every single day. Yes, we are talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and of course, the infamous Dogecoin amongst many other famous coins. This system follows the exact same methods and strategies that are responsible for creating new crypto millionaires, which allows us to buy whatever we want, whenever we want. Whether it's fancy new sports cars, luxury vacation homes by the beach, or simply just to have some extra spare cash to provide a better life for our families, this never before seen free crypto system has finally given us real financial freedom. In fact, this free crypto loophole was discovered by my friend Jenny, who is obsessed with the thought of earning as much free crypto as possible. An obsession that's led her to spend over $50,000 of her own cash testing every method, strategy and software that's on the marketplace. She's taken risks with her own money so we don't have to risk ours. After 12 months of extensive testing, Jenny finally cracked the free crypto code. She's gone from zero to thousands of dollars in free Bitcoin and free crypto, and she's now decided to share it with the world. So if you're interested in giving your crypto portfolio a kickstart and earning free crypto and Bitcoin, then there's never been a better time. Cryptocurrency is booming right now and everybody wants a piece of the action. Whether it's first-time investors or world-famous billionaires like Elon Musk or Mark Cuban. However, what most people don't know about is that many of the most popular crypto platforms that regular people like you and I use on a daily basis have affiliate programs that let regular people earn affiliate commissions and free crypto like Bitcoin at the same time. These affiliate programs earn me at least $127 per day in free Bitcoin, and they're the hottest offers to promote online right now. Because firstly, crypto is the most searched topic online this year. Everybody wants to know what crypto is and how to get started, whether it's to buy their first Bitcoin, start trading, or discover what NFTs are. Secondly, I've been promoting crypto affiliate offers for over 5 years now, and I can confirm they convert extremely well and have paid me handsomely over the years. And thirdly, there's no barrier for entry. Literally anyone can join these affiliate networks and promote the same crypto affiliate offers that are making stone cold newbies thousands per month. So what we have for you here is a brand new way that's allowed us to earn $127 per day in free crypto and free Bitcoin and generate free crypto buyer traffic completely from scratch. Welcome to 10x Bitcoin Commissions. This is a brand new way to make money online in 2022. 10x Bitcoin Commissions is the world's first app that allows regular people to earn free crypto and free Bitcoin using nothing but a computer, tablet or smartphone from the comfort of their own home. There's nothing else required to make this work, and there are absolutely zero expenses required. No technical skills are required, no previous crypto experience is required, and you definitely don't need to purchase any expensive mining equipment to earn free crypto and free Bitcoin. You're gonna love 10x Bitcoin Commissions, just like the 42 beta testers who took this system for a test run over the past few weeks. All of these people were from different backgrounds, different countries across the globe, different ages, but all of them earned free crypto and free Bitcoin on their first day. So it doesn't matter if you've never made a dime online before or you don't have a clue about crypto, as long as you've got an internet connection and you can follow some very basic instructions, then you're good to go. 10x Bitcoin Commissions is the world's first app that creates 100% done for you, auto-updating crypto affiliate websites that have enabled us to earn at least $127 in free Bitcoin, free crypto, and recurring affiliate commissions every 24 hours. Every time someone visits our done-for-you sites, we get paid. By using secret underground artificial intelligence, 10x Bitcoin Commissions builds our crypto sites in minutes, pre-monetized with high-converting crypto affiliate offers from today's top crypto networks like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Crypto.com, and includes free crypto targeted buyer traffic from multiple sources all built in. In less than 2 minutes, your brand new site can be live, ready to exploit this multi-billion-dollar industry. Your sites feature up-to-the-minute content and videos on the most searched crypto topics online. They come preloaded with recurring offers from today's best affiliate platforms, the same platforms that regular people like you and I are using every single day. We've built in multiple sources of free crypto targeted traffic, so you'll never have to pay for ads. Our conversion experts have optimized the placement of every monetized offer to maximize your results. On top of this, we're also generating free Bitcoin and crypto from the world of NFTs. That's right, our sites are hooked up to some of the biggest NFT platforms in the world, meaning we can siphon huge profits whenever someone purchases an NFT from marketplaces such as OpenSea and Coinbase. But we're not finished there yet. With 10x Bitcoin commissions, we're also adding high-ticket crypto offers to your done-for-you sites, where other people do all the selling for us. These high-ticket sellers usually sell a premium-priced products costing in the region of $1,000, giving us another chance of earning free crypto and recurring commissions with our done-for-you sites. Simply put, 10x Bitcoin commissions puts you in front of the action with dynamic, auto-updating crypto sites that give people the real-time information they need to act on your offers before anybody else's. And because this is the most lucrative niche we've ever seen, you also get integrated email list building on your sites. So you can grow crypto subscriber lists of people you can promote to as the popularity of crypto keeps booming. Remember what they say, the money is in the email list, and that's true. There's a lot more under the hood, but the beauty of this software is that it's so simple because everything's 100% done for you. No messing around with tech stuff or integrations. All it takes is just a few clicks. It's literally set and forget, then laugh all the way to the bank. And when you want to scale things up even more, it's as easy as activating another done-for-you site from your 10x dashboard. The sky's the limit thanks to this first-to-market automated free crypto and free Bitcoin affiliate system. This is a real game changer for the affiliate world, and we've been successfully using it to earn at least $127 in free crypto and free Bitcoin every 24 hours. Now, you can be up and running in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, click the buy button on this page below to secure your copy. Step 2, log in and enter your details into the system. Step 3, switch on the built-in free buyer traffic and watch the magic happen. This is where we get to enjoy daily payments of $127 in free crypto and free Bitcoin over and over again. It's as easy and as fast as that. And all this happens without any mining, any trading, or any spending of your own money on crypto or Bitcoin. We've made over $4,000 this month alone, and it's all thanks to this 10x Bitcoin commission system. And now is the perfect time for you to get your piece of the crypto goldmine. Crypto's more than a fad. It's a totally new industry that wasn't even possible until recent technologies were created. Now there's no stopping it, and it keeps getting bigger and bigger by the hour. 22% of Americans already own crypto, and globally, over 106 million people use it. With this many buyers already through the doors and more getting in every single day, 10x Bitcoin commissions gives you the opportunity to get your slice of the action. Now below this, you'll see actual results from beta testers, including complete beginners, already crushing it with 10x Bitcoin commissions. Now, whilst we do plan on charging at least $197 a month for this in the near future, you won't pay anywhere near that. When you act now, it's just a tiny one-time investment. You'll also get multiple custom bonuses to maximize your results, bonuses that you won't find anywhere else because no one else has them. Because your success is the only thing that matters, you're covered by our pro US-based support team to swiftly answer any questions you may have once you're on the inside. And to make your decision a complete no-brainer, your tiny investment is protected by our industry-leading 180-day money-back guarantee. Use the app, the done-for-you sites, and the free traffic for up to 6 months completely risk-free. There's only one catch though. To get everything at this insanely low one-time cost, you need to act right now to take advantage of this launch special deal. So if you're ready for unlimited traffic from the hottest new niche on the planet, to generate free crypto and free Bitcoin from today's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and to scale in today's hottest new niche online with unlimited demand, then click the button right now to lock in your discount immediately. I'll see you on the inside.